As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at these two Charbroil grills, the Grill2Go X200, BOO-BFPMLI8, and the Performance Series 3-burner, B01 MQIXCN2. What do you think?
Oh yeah, I've seen those. They're pretty different, aren't they? What are you planning to use it for?
Well, I need something for tailgating and maybe some camping. The Grill2Go looks super portable.
Definitely. It only weighs 20 pounds and it's small, like 23.7 x 15 inches x 13.6. The Performance Series is a beast at almost 95 pounds and much bigger, around 54 wide. Not exactly tailgating material.
True. But the Performance Series has a lot more cooking space, right?
Absolutely. You get 600 square inches with the 3-burner, including the warming rack, versus just 200 on the Grill2Go. Plus, the 3-burner has a side burner.
That side burner is tempting. What about power?
The 3-burner kicks out 34,000 BTUs total, while the Grill2Go only has a 9,500 BTU burner. But remember, BTUs aren't everything.
Right. The Grill2Go uses that TRU infrared cooking system, like the 3-burner.
Exactly. They both boast even heat and reduced flare-ups with that system.
So, portability versus cooking space? And a side burner. What about fuel?
Both are propane, but the Grill2Go uses those small 1-pound tanks, while the Performance Series needs a standard 20-pounder.
Okay, so the smaller one will have me constantly buying those little tanks?
Possibly, but it can be converted to use a larger tank with an adapter. Something else to consider is that the Grill2Go is available right now, but the 3-burner is temporarily out of stock.
Good point. Price-wise, the Grill2Go is cheaper, around $150.
Yeah, but the 3-burner offers more features, if you can find one. Plus, it has electronic ignition, which is convenient. The Grill2Go has push-button ignition.
Okay, so it boils down to how often I need to move it versus how much I need to cook.
Pretty much. The Grill2Go is your go-to for portability, while the 3-burner is for more serious grilling at home, and if you want to do sides at the same time.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.